unlocking the secrets of our amazing brain. A journey into the mind. Imagine a complex machine that controls everything about you, your thoughts, feelings, and actions. This machine is not made of gears and wires, but is a powerful organ in your head called the brain. This biological wonder is responsible for learning, understanding, and adapting to the world around you. How does this incredible organ work to absorb information and shape our understanding of life? The learning process begins. From the moment you are born, your brain begins to learn. It collects information from your senses: sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. Every new experience creates pathways in the brain. These pathways connect one neuron or brain cell to another, forming a vast network. The more you repeat an action or thought, the stronger these connections become. What happens when you challenge your brain with something new? Neuroplasticity, the brain's flexibility. One of the most amazing features of the brain is its ability to change over time, known as neuroplasticity. This means that, regardless of age, your brain can create new pathways and strengthen existing ones. When you learn a new skill, like playing an instrument or speaking a new language, your brain rewires itself to manage this new information. Can you imagine how much potential lies within each of us? Memory, the key to learning. Memory plays a crucial role in learning. There are different types of memory, such as short-term and long-term memory. Short-term memory holds information for a brief time, while long-term memory stores important knowledge and experiences for years. To move information from short-term to long-term memory, repetition and emotional connections are vital. What if a strong feeling could help you remember something forever? The power of emotion. Emotions are powerful allies in the learning process. When you feel excited or happy about something, your brain is more likely to remember it. This is because the brain releases chemicals called neurotransmitters that help strengthen those memory pathways. For example, if you learn something while feeling joyful, it creates a lasting connection. How do these emotional ties affect what you remember? The role of habits. Our brains love routine. Developing habits means the brain does not have to work as hard to process information. When you practice something daily, like brushing your teeth or exercising, it becomes second nature. These habits form automatic responses that save mental energy. However, what happens when we need to break a habit or learn something different? Challenges and growth. Facing challenges is a natural part of the learning process. When we encounter something difficult, our brain engages in problem solving. It analyzes, organizes, and adjusts our understanding of a topic. Overcoming hurdles reinforces the brain's ability to learn, making it remember the lesson better. What if challenges are truly opportunities in disguise? The importance of environment. The environment around us affects how we learn. A stimulating environment filled with new experiences can enhance our brain's ability to make connections. For instance, being in nature or around inspiring people can introduce you to fresh ideas and perspectives. How can you change your surroundings to boost your brain's learning potential? Lifelong learning. Learning doesn't stop after formal education. It's a lifelong journey. The brain never loses its ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Engaging in new experiences, reading, or even chatting with diverse people keeps our brains active and healthy. Cultivating curiosity and an open mind is essential for continued growth. What exciting discoveries await you as you continue your learning journey? Conclusion. Embrace the adventure. Understanding how our brains learn can inspire us to take charge of our development. Each day presents new opportunities to learn, adapt, and grow. The more we engage our brains, the more we unlock its incredible potential. So, embrace each experience as an adventure that enriches your mind. What will you discover on your next journey of learning?